Hi, I'm Randy Donley from Donley Auctions in Union, Illinois, and I'm here to tell you today about a fabulous auction that we have this Saturday, May 1st. Starts at 10 a.m. And of course, you can always bid online by going to donleyauctions.com. But I'm also running a live auction, and I'd like to show you a few of the items that we have in the auction today, starting with this beautiful Mills Violano. It's probably the nicest oak Violano I've ever seen. But more importantly, I'm here today with Terry Haughawout, who is the owner of this Violano. And Terry is the foremost restoration expert in the Violano field. And if you want a great Mills Violano, this is the one to buy. So, Terry, thanks for coming out today. One of the questions that I have for you is, what year was this made?
Approximately 1919.
1919.
Yes.
So in the Mills world, is that an early or
Well, it's an early machine, yes.
Wow. I'm just shocked at the beautiful condition this is in. I mean, it's my understanding you've had this in your living room for 45 years.
Yep.
So this Violano in collecting world has never really been available for sale. 45 years, Terry's had this. This is his personal machine. And now, Saturday, it's going to sell to a new owner. It'll probably be in somebody's collection for another 20 years. This is your one opportunity. Now, one thing I love about this machine, Terry, is it's set up to play the original rolls if somebody wants to,
Yes.
but this machine has been computerized with what's called a MIDI system.
MIDI system, yes.
Now, just tell me, a MIDI system operates from a computer, which all this comes with it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So instead of using the paper roll, you can now operate this machine by computer. And how many songs do you have programmed in this?
This particular machine has 370 tunes.
370
Yes,
tunes,
yes.
which would equate to
If
70 rolls?
If that was in rolls, it'd be 74 rolls.
74 rolls at a cost of.
Well, you can get on
So-
eBay and you can find it anywhere from $80 to $125
So,
each.
so realistically,
it's a lot
just
of
in
money.
music, there's about $5,000 in music on this machine programmed into the computer. And if you wanted to have this MIDI system put on your own Mills Violano, you're talking for up to $7,000.
Well, 6,000, and then depends on how many tunes, extra tunes you'd like
So,
to have.
again,
Yeah.
in that $6,000 to $7,000 range, this is just absolutely a stunning piece. And anything that you can think of that makes this unique, or anything you want to tell us about this machine?
Well, I'd like to say that the MIDI system, people think, oh, it's electronic now. It's not electronic. When I turn the MIDI on, the violin machine still thinks it's playing the roll, all right? Because we tied into the back of the feeder frame. And so it isn't that it's got speakers or anything, and it plays the machine exactly the way when it left the factory.
And we're going to show you that in just a minute. But one thing I want to point out too is I'm not a great computer guy, but Terry gave me a quick lesson yesterday, and in minutes I can operate this. We're going to again show you this playing. I can operate this in minutes. Don't be afraid of a computer. That is the way to go.
Yeah.
I mean, and it all comes with it. And we're going to play this for you right now.